Jarod here from Brisbane Plumbing and Drainage. We're out here today doing a reinstatement of this stormwater that's been damaged under the driveway. We come out here for drainage issues originally. Found that there was, the water wasn't getting away in particular areas. So we've given the client a quote to do the proposed works, and that's exactly what we're here to do today. So cutting up a section of driveway, connecting into the front downpipes, bringing it out to the street, discharging out there. Before we do our work, we always get a dog before you dig, a linesman out. They'll come out, check the ground, make sure we're all good to go ahead, and give us the all clear to go. So that's what we're doing today. We are stormwater specialists as well. Just look at the bottom of the screen and call us and book us in.